Normally on Instagram, when you go to the message section, you can see the primary section, then the general section, and the request section. Sometimes you'll be chatting with an Instagram iChat, and if you want to move that chat to the general section, you can do that. In this video, we'll be showing you how to move any Instagram iChat to the general section. For this, open the Instagram application. After that, here you can see the message button. Click on this message button. When you click on that, here you can see every chat, and this iChat will also be there. From here, select the iChat which you want to move to the general section. For example, I'm selecting this AI chat. And after that, here you can see the I button. Click on this I button. When you click on that, here you can see chat controls. Click on chat controls and here you can see move to general. Next to that you can see the move option. Click on move. When you click on that, that message will be moved to the general section. And if you go back, now here you cannot see that message. If you go to general, you can see that message there. So this way you can easily move any Instagram AI chat to the general section. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.